So what is the difference between horse type and display on page? Well, horse type is just that, the type of horse that it is, and you can see some examples here. And a horse can be multiple horse types, just depending. And next is the display on page, and that's actually the page that that horse is going to display on. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty cool because this way you can have, let's go take a look at his record, her record, I should say. You can have one horse display in multiple places without having to duplicate that horse throughout the system. Just allows a lot of flexibility. And also, as a side note, this horse is also sold. So it's a mare and a winner, and it's going to display on the sale horse page. So that means that the horse is for sale, obviously. And he's going to display on the winners or congratulations page. So let's take a look. So here we go. So let's go to the horses for sale page. And there she is. And then she's also a mare. So if we drill down into mares, there she is. And then here's the winner's congratulations page. And there she is. And then you can also see the sold banner across the top. So the neat thing about this is it allows you to have multiple, you can have your horse in multiple areas with only one horse record. Makes it really simple to put them wherever you need them. And of course makes them easy to change at any time as well.